okay?
It don't matter.
Okay.
And if anything happens, you're going to be falling out because you're alive.
10-4, can I get a rotation tow for the vehicle in my traffic stop?
That's the techniques that you use.
That's
smell
10-4.
marijuana. I don't even smoke. That's what you said. If you record everything, they got that.
Okay, and that's fine.
That's
I'm just
fine.
telling you what I smell.
I'm telling you what you
Do you
said.
hang
You're
around
a liar.
that smells
You're a liar,
marijuana?
ma'am. You're a liar.
Okay.
You don't even need to wear that badge or that uniform or nothing. You're a liar. That's right. That's right. Turn it up. Because I'm going to tell everybody. You want to be the first to say it. You're a liar. Stop you smell marijuana. Stop.
Hey, he's really combative and we need to move him to her car. If you don't mind just helping us.
No.
We just wanted somebody else here for getting him in the back of my car.
Okay, does any of these keys look like it would go to this car other than this fob?
Yeah, I'm gonna
Alright, we're just going to have to give him the whole key set because I don't know which key goes to this car. And there's this fob, but it's... What? Am I moving it? I have a tow truck coming to get it.
Is this push button?
Maybe?
If it is, it's probably a fob.
No. It's a key.
It's a key?
Yeah. I mean,
Try that one.
I feel like this looks like a really old key to be able to be going on this car. Oh, that's why.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I guess I could move it instead of a tow. Could move it in this parking lot.
First of all. Did you already call him?
I would just let him continue. Because he has done nothing for us to try to...
Yeah. Okay.
Let's do this. Can you,
You want me to pull over there first?
yeah, I don't want to fight him in the middle of the road.
Street. Yeah, I got
Just
you.
put him, I'll walk over, I'll leave my car.
Yeah, that's fine.
Get it right. You gotta fix all this. I'm glad you like this job. I'm glad you like this job. Well, that little Texas shit you tried, that ain't gonna work. I got a secret for you. You don't even know who the fuck I am. You're gonna be out of jail after the You're gonna risk it in the room.
Calvin? No.
Calvin.
How you doing, sir?
Good, man. I'm Sergeant Smith with TPD.
I appreciate that, Sarge.
Okay, here's the deal, man. I gotta take you from this car and we gotta put you in that one, okay?
Hey, it's like this. It's okay.
Okay, are you gonna cooperate? We're not gonna have any issues, right?
Hey, ain't nobody cooperating. Just like this.
You'll be okay?
Hey, I'm talking to you right now.
Yes,
right?
sir.
I ain't got no problem being okay.
Okay.
I got a problem with what happened earlier.
Yes, sir.
It's lies. But I'm gonna tell you like this right here. I ain't got no problem cooperating.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
You ran my name. You know my record. It's all good. But it's like this right here.
Uh-huh.
I ain't did nothing.
Okay.
But I'm gonna tell you right this.
Yes, sir.
Improper. It's improper.
Well, you know you'll be afforded the opportunity.
okay, it's okay.
Listen to me. You'll be afforded the
You got
opportunity.
my phone, man, still?
I
You'll
got
be
your
afforded the
phone.
opportunity when you
Can
get
you
in
give it to
jail
him?
to provide a breath sample. You
She's
understand
got
that,
it,
right?
yes, sir.
Okay.
You know you can provide a breath sample if all this is a big
I
misunderstanding,
ain't
right?
worrying about no brush sample because
Gotcha.
I went through 3 things since you got him.
What you got? You ready?
No problem.
Come on, Buckle. We can get you in any problem. We'll get you jail. You get on your way, okay? Yes, sir.
Since you can use my phone,
Yeah, you need to call somebody?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. You park over with us, we're gonna work with you, okay?
No problem. Give him my phone, please.
Okay, we'll get it. Sorry. We're gonna go to the passenger side.
Okay.
Right side. Okay, no problem. What do you need to call?
Can she give you my phone?
Have a seat and I'll bring you the phone and we'll make the phone call here, okay?
No problem. Got you. I appreciate you cooperating with your colleague. Right. Like,
It's kind of, yeah.
I do.
Okay.
There you go.
Hang tight, we'll get your phone, we'll get to that phone call.
See, that was me earlier, though. Yeah, just sit down. I'll be fine.
You got his phone.
She does. Yeah, we tried to call somebody instead of a tow truck, and they don't want to cooperate. So.
I guess I should try to reread and call him and say he's open and possible.
He just refused to him though again. So to him,
Well,
he's like,
not explicitly, but. All right, who are we gonna call for you? You gotta look at it. How does that work? Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3. I swear to God. And you
I can't take them on. Not once they're on.
you put on front so I can do
No.
this job. He was asking me.
Yeah, I know.
That's all simple. Got it. I'm trying to do nothing.
I can dial the number if you just open it up for me. Can you see to open it up? Or do you want to tell me what it is and I'll open it real quick? Right now? Yes, sir.
go ahead, sir. No, so he has a cover on his seat, and in the cover where like the knee would sit, there's an opening, and he had it like tucked. Okay. And then the whatever he had in his cup also is not.
My life. Tallahassee 5 years old. My head for 8. You're right.
Is that in his history?
I don't know. I can check real quick. Don't forget to add the BBL on there.
You have it saved up, right?
Yeah. Yeah. So the notification got sent to that Brevard address, and you confirmed that he did have, that he still lives there.
I feel like anytime somebody's a nightmare with me and Sarge shows up, they're just like, all of their anger.
Of course. Well, yeah, that's how it usually is. So the address here, Brevard Street,
Yeah.
and then driver history, doesn't have any previous DUI convictions or whatever that it says on there. It says that the suspension happened on 3/22 of this year, and it said that the notice was provided on the 7th,
Okay, go
which
back
means to that address.
to the page.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
Yeah. He is already inputted in there. History, I honestly don't really know.
Okay, no.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you, lady.
so,
Ain't no so nothing. I'm through talking.
okay,
I'm
no,
through
so,
talking. No, I'm through talking.
okay, I just have to
No,
read
I'm
this to
through
you.
talking.
real
You
quick.
ain't gotta read nothing. I'm through
Will
talking.
you just listen to
I'm
me,
through
please?
talking, ma'am. I'm through talking.
Okay,
I am through talking.
I have to read this
No,
to you.
you can't
I'm
read
now
nothing to me.
requesting that you
I don't
submit
want
a
to say
test of
nothing.
your
I
breath
don't
for
want to
purpose
say
of
nothing
determining
to you.
alcohol content.
I don't want to say nothing to you because
Will
you're
you
switching
take the
up
test?
three different scenarios that y'all went through since y'all started me. I don't want to talk to you about nothing.
Because you
Nothing.
haven't said yes.
I want to talk to my lawyer. I want to talk to you about nothing.
going to
I don't
read you
want.
the
You don't
refusal.
need to read
Hey,
me up.
you
Close
just
the
have
door,
to.
sir.
You just have to listen. You
Close
don't
the
have to.
door, sir.
Okay, you just
I'm
gotta
asking
listen.
you, please
I'm
close
going
the
to
door.
read you the
Are you
refusal
recording
portion
this?
again.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you recording this?
If you
Well, I don't want
refuse
to talk to you
take the
about
test,
nothing.
I
I don't want
request
to
that
talk.
your
I don't want to
driving
talk to
privilege
you
be
about nothing.
suspended for a period
I don't
of
want
1
to talk to
year
you nothing
for
about
first
nothing.
refusal,
I don't want
or
to talk to you
18
about
months
nothing
for
because
your
you're trying to
driving privileges that
sugarcoat
were
it.
previously suspended,
No,
or
there's no
if you have
previous
been
nothing.
previously
I
fined for
am telling you
under
this. I don't
statute
want to talk to you about nothing because what you said to me,
35215 for
miss,
refusing to
that you
submit to a
stopped me
lawful test of
because your
urine,
lights was off.
or blood.
And then she
Additionally, if you refuse
said
to
she
take the
stopped
test, I
me
have
because
requested of
she
you until your
smelled
driving
weed.
privilege
So
has been
therefore,
previously
y'all
suspended,
both are
or if
liars.
you have
I
been
don't want to talk
previously
to
fined
now
under
one of y'all.
statute
I don't care about none of that. You can say
327.35215
whatever
for
you want to
refusing
say.
to submit to a
I don't
lawful test of
understand none of
breath,
what you're
urine, or
saying.
blood.
I don't
You will
acknowledge
be
none of what
committing
you're
a
saying.
misdemeanor in addition
I
to
am
any other
coherent to
penalties
what you're
which can be
saying. I
imposed
have
by
no
law.
knowledge of what you're
Refusal
saying.
to submit to
And
the
you
test I have
miss
requested
are a
is
liar.
admissible into
Because I don't
evidence in
smoke,
any
I don't do
criminal
no
proceeding.
drugs. And what you said,
Do you
you
still
said
refuse to take the
that you
test?
stopped me because you smell
Calvin.
weed. My name is Calvin A. Riley Sr. I'm born and raised in
Go ahead, sit
Tallahassee,
back.
Florida.
Calvin, sit
No, don't
back.
close the door
Watch
yet.
your head.
Now,
Watch
because
your
you
head.
want to close the door now.
Watch your head.
I'm born and raised Leon County, Tallahassee, Florida. I'm
Calvin, watch
55
your
years
head.
old, and you are alive. And you live.
Police 17 Talk. I may have missed it. Did we get the rotation tone out? Floor. Thank you, sir. Back on camera.
Riley was transported to the Leon County Detention Facility and charged with driving under the influence and driving with a suspended license. He was not charged with carrying an open container.